Turn your head to the left for me. Any pain when you do that?
No.
Go ahead and turn your right. Limited. I mean, you are. Is that it?
Yeah.
That's it, huh?
That's okay.
Okay. You're so mean. He's such a mean doctor. What happened right here, bud? What is this? This is your throwing arm, right?
Yeah.
Good. Go ahead and turn to your left. Yeah, wow.
Sway.
He can turn. Turn your right. Yeah.
Do you feel a difference, Steve?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's have you look up. Let's go easy.
Oh,
I mean,
that's so much better. Holy crap.
neck, shoulder, back tightness. A couple of years ago, you're a college student.
Yeah, so I play football. I play college football, so I've been lifting heavy for, months on months. So I'm always tight. I feel like, since I was like a junior in high school, I've just been.
Where's the most tightness?
I would say, honestly, so I can.
No.
You're already in trouble.
No, I know.
No, don't pop it.
No, I wasn't, but I can move it.
Sure.
Well, going that way, but I feel tight. So actually, it's over here.
Left side tight.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then just my shoulders and all, my whole back is.
And he's a quarterback, and played baseball and hockey, so he's just always
tight over here on my right shoulder a lot.
How many years contact sports like football? How many years have you played?
Since I was
Young.
Yeah, 9, so
Okay.
10 years.
All right. You're in right neck avoidance, left shoulder's high. You're getting away from something right there. Torso's all off to your. It's all off to your left side. You're getting away from this. So our body, we call it antalgia. I'm an alignment specialist. Your body's going to shift things to get away from things.
Yeah.
Give me a second here. Get away from. Interesting. You've had this long enough that you're creating your torso's in translation. You're not just in hip height misalignment. Like I got a left high hip.
Yeah, I feel that.
If I injure the right part of my lower back, my left hip will come up to alleviate. But it's been here long enough that not only is the hip high, but you're actually in translation.
Yeah.
Your torso off to the side. It's been here a while. I'm late to the party here. That you're actually in translation. You're going to grind that left side because you're in avoidance of this right. So the first symptom without me is going to be left, and that might be because you have this right injury here. How long ago was that knee?
A year and a half.
Yeah.
That's probably what I'm saying is having an injury like that to your knee is speeding up the process of getting away because
It's been less than a year and a half, I think. Yeah.
especially when it was more acute, you really didn't want to put weight on that, so you're transitioning away from it, and I'm seeing it spinally. Your body's healing. So 26 is full skeletal maturity. Your spine is still cartilaginous and soft, and so you can change your position for the worse easily at 19. It can be fixed for the better at 19. 26 is when the cement or the clay hardens, and so this is a crucial next 7 years of your life that we can do a lot of work less expensively and quickly because it's still soft. After 26,
Yeah.
it's going to be a lot more visits. You're saying because it's harder to change things. Then when it's soft, you don't need as much care. Then you'll see videos of 30s and 40-year-olds coming here. And I'm like, I have to sit here and work the spine a lot longer. About a half inch forward. Okay. Go ahead and turn your head to the left for me. Any pain when you do that?
No.
Go ahead and turn your right. Limited. I mean, you are. Is that it?
Yeah.
There's 7 vertebrae in the neck. I want them all working as a team. You just like your team. If you're trying to play a football game with half the players, they working. I need your whole team working. That's it, huh?
That's okay.
Okay. You're so mean. He's such a mean doctor. I expect a lot out of you. Okay, not to be mean, but I'm like 19 years old. This is like I expect perfection. You understand?
Yeah, I can't. Yeah.
I understand, but we're gonna get some back here
Oh,
today.
God. Yeah, I can't do that.
It's okay.
But I'm 55.
We're gonna see a noticeable difference. That if anybody has looked at that and said, "Yeah, it looks good,"
Yeah.
it's not good.
Yeah.
Your range of motion is a commodity. It has value, and the range of motion is what keeps your spine lubricated. It pumps blood into itself.
Right.
We call it imbibition is the word, but it washes itself through that mobility. All right, I'm gonna have you cross this arm under, this arm over. Bend the knees for me. Yep. I'm gonna have you do a little sit up for me. Head back for me. Let all the air out. Exhale, let it go. Yeah, deep breath. I got you, bud. Exhale. Wow, okay. Deep breath. Chin down, exhale. Let it go. Okay. We got work to do.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get more than that, but first guy's C minus, second guy F, third guy F.
Yeah.
You understand? I asked 12 vertebrae move in a 19-year-old, and I got 3 or 4 to move. All right, take a deep breath. Exhale. It's okay, relax your back, I got you. There we go, an extra one there. I got you, bud, I got you. Exhale, breathe. All right, yeah, other side for me, bud. All right, breathe. Exhale. Good, all right. A lot looser on that hip. Wow. Wow. On your back. Yeah. Oh. Wow. Right at, I mean, you feel the muscular tension here, bud? I got no tightness on his left side of his neck here. Feels great. And what in the world?
It's throwing for,
Look how tight that SCM is.
yeah, throwing for 15 years.
Oh man. Okay. Okay. Just fix me in. Stop talking. Just get to fixing. It's not subtle. Sometimes I have subtle things that
Yeah.
people
No,
go,
give it to me.
Are you sure, Ed? I have a massively tight SCM here. That muscle's in guard mode.
Yeah.
This is why I work on people laying down. Like it can't even relax.
Mhm.
It's just perpetually, something's gonna happen any
Yeah,
second now.
is it right? Because this is where he always
It'll
complains.
refer pain down to his shoulder blades,
Yeah.
100%. Yep. All right, let me see how it's moving. I got you, but I'm not gonna hurt you. Yeah, okay. Okay, it's functioning. Your neck belongs, I'll show you home, as odd as it feels. We want to aim your, I know, yeah. If this felt normal, you wouldn't need to be here. The cervical lordosis is the primary purpose of my care, is to aim your spine back to its original alignment in the first year of life when you develop this curve. This alignment ensures that your upper neck is working and that the weight is evenly spread over all 7 segments, and also your range of motion that you have. There. Oh man, what happened right here, bud? What is this? That's why his head's tilted. You see the idea? You want to get away from this.
Yeah.
Something happened here. Watch, I'll show you. See how smooth it is
Yeah,
over here?
it's not even
I
close.
understand. I wake up in the morning, I fix spines, and I go to bed. That's what I've done the last 20 years. I mean, it's that there, bud. Okay, all right. No one cares until your left arm goes numb. You understand? It'll be left shoulder, left arm, because you've healed in avoidance of the right side. I want the car tracking straight, and you're tracking to the left.
And I feel like if this gets worked out, it'll help because you need to be looser on this side throwing.
Correct. Yeah, no, his range of motion, your power,
Yeah.
your like golfers, your ability to rotate is your spring. You just showed me maybe 80%. You're 20% of your range of motion's gone. Okay, we'll get it. That's my job. I'll unlock you. That needs to be untangled. It's all. Think of it like a cable. The more tangled it is, the less total length it can stretch. Right. So I have to comb this and untangle it to like headphone cables. And it's all earbuds now. I know. I still got headphone cables.
I do
Okay.
too.
Wow. What'll happen is the more you actually get care for this, the larger it'll seem. You're like, what the heck, Ed? I think it's getting bigger. What's happening is the swamp is draining, and what's left, the boat that's sitting at the bottom of the lake, is going to become more visible. So don't be disheartened.
That makes sense.
You're kind of loosening the big.
Yeah, the smaller injuries are going to go away, and all that's going to be left after a few visits is just that.
Yeah.
And it'll feel bigger because everything else has shrunk away. I've done this too many times. I'm just saying you'll feel this like, I think it's getting bigger, Ed. It's not. The small injuries around it are all dissipated. It's like carpet cleaning. There's so many stains, they all run together. The oldest stains take more scrubbing than the newer stains. And after the first 4 passes, all we're going to be left with are the oldest stains, and then they'll become more visible.
Right.
because they're all that's left, and all the recent stains go away. I was 12 years old. My dad said, "Get in here and work on my neck," and I started learning how to throw a football. Exactly. I started learning how to adjust necks when I was.
His dad's a chiropractor.
Oh,
Sorry.
I didn't know.
Sorry. My dad's a chiropractor, and so you don't get this loony without being a chiropractor. Okay. All right. So, my dad saw a slide tackle when I was 10 years old in soccer. It was the last day I played soccer. Ed, you're off the team. Dad, I like soccer. Shut up. Get in the car. All right, never much saying. All right, take a break from that side. There we go. Yeah, there we go. It's like an engine. You have to have a mechanic tune the engine to get the most horsepower out of it.
That's right.
We're gonna tune this thing and get it.
Yeah, he's in a very small town in Illinois, so there's not much chiropractor work there.
Yeah.
I gotcha.
When I told her right when my parents moved to Sarasota and I saw, you know, obviously I was watching your page a lot and I was like,
Awesome.
I feel like I saw Sarasota on his body. Like,
Yeah.
no way he's actually in Sarasota. I was like, yep, Mom. I told her this months ago. Like,
Yeah, but
when
he
I
literally flew in last night from Italy and we're here today.
yeah,
Oh, wow.
had to
Oh,
be
wow.
I'm
done.
glad you're here. Yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah.
From Italy?
Yeah, his
Oh.
sister lives in
Okay.
Italy. Her husband's a professional basketball player there. So.
Wow, cool.
Yeah, it was awesome.
The mark only comes out where inside you'll feel it. You'll feel like where it directly correlates. Like, yeah, there's something there, Ed. It doesn't feel right. And very quickly throughout care, as it feels better, the mark won't come out anymore.
Mhm.
It directly correlates. The Chinese figured this out thousands of years ago. They just would comb the tissue until it doesn't have the sha anymore, they call it. So gua means to comb, sha means like redness or sand, and they would scrape the grit out of the tissue, the clog, the congestion.
And I've never had this done.
Yeah.
Wonderful. And it's like your toothbrushes to your teeth is a gua sha to your muscles.
Yeah.
Why do you need all the weight on the joints? Two reasons. One, the joints heal.
Right.
Discs don't. So I'd rather have the weight on the joints than the disc. If the weight's not on the joint, well, it's on the disc. Two, the more weight's on the joint, the more curves in your neck. The more weight that's not on the joint, that's the reverse curve. All the weight's on the disc. Again, discs have tread life. There's only so many rotations you can put on a disc. And that's it. So it's like a tread on your tires. Only so many miles. The beauty is the upper neck doesn't have any tread. The atlas axis, there's no discs at the upper part of the neck. So if your upper neck is functioning, it essentially gives you an unlimited rotation.
Oh, that makes sense.
You're designed to use this all the time because there's nothing actually to wear out up here. And so if you lose your atlas axis function, we're in trouble.
Yeah.
We gotta have whole spine working.
I know, I have to get my neck looked at next.
All right. Okay, one second, come on. There it is, wow. All right.
That was a workout for the dog.
I'm working too hard here. Let's see here. Yeah, I don't want any tension in here. The tighter vastus, called vastus lateralis, right? There's 4 muscles of your quad. Okay, here's your CE hours. Vastus medialis, vastus lateralis, vastus intermedius, and rectus femoris are your 4 muscles of your quad.
And he tore his quad when he was 12, running the bases. That's how tight he is.
Yeah, so the more injuries, the more tightness in here.
Yeah.
The more the knee gets squeezed, then you'd easily tear the meniscus.
That's right.
So to me, we're set up. We're set up for these knee injuries because it was already viced, and then you twisted.
Yeah.
Think of that rubber eraser that maybe you didn't have it.
No,
I had
time
that little square. You could throw it in the driveway and drive over it. Doesn't hurt it.
Right.
But you take the rubber eraser and like twist it, you can rip it in your hands.
Yeah.
That's the best way to visualize the meniscus. It can handle compression. It doesn't mind compression.
Yes.
It doesn't like that twisting.
Yeah.
That's how. So I was in the pocket, and I got tackled, and somebody hit me like. I got tackled by like 2 people, and I like twisted, and my
You
knee
got it.
stuck.
Yep, you got it.
So
That's how you tear it.
yeah.
It can't handle twisting forces. They don't like we call them shearing forces. All right, yeah, right there, but I don't like it. I don't like it. Yeah, I don't like it. Something right there. That was before this happened. That's been there a while.
I still remember what leg you tore your quad.
It was, I think this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, right there. It was all fun and games until
Until the elbow
until
to the quad.
Till the people's elbow went to the quad. I didn't think it was that bad.
Well, especially when you're tight. He probably doesn't know that. Do you know that song? Give me
He doesn't
a break.
know that.
No, I don't.
No.
Oh, we're all that. What the heck's he talking
People
about?
reference a bunch of stuff from art, and I realize we're dealing with a
Yeah.
19-year-old. Like, they have no clue what we're saying.
Break, give me a break. Break me off a piece of that.
Okay, yes,
Yeah.
no, I got it.
Okay.
I had to hear more.
Exactly. All right. Okay.
That's getting purple.
Yes. No, there's his injury. He's got an injury right there.
So when you do that, it kind of almost highlights where the injury is.
So the original tissue is lined up. All
Yeah.
of the original fibrinogen and collagen in your body was originally like this. When it tears,
Yeah,
it heals
yeah,
like that.
Yeah.
And that doesn't stretch very well.
right.
So what's happened is the total length isn't, like the headphone cables are all tangled.
Right,
You don't have the
right.
right length, hence you can't get your heel to your butt.
Right,
This won't stretch.
right.
So this is my comb for combing those fibers and trying to get them.
Loose again.
Well, our goal is this,
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
right? Woo-hoo! Excellent job, Ed. I'll take it. I don't know if we can get back to
Yeah.
perfect,
Yeah.
but it's when we'll try. Enough care, maybe I can get you to 90%, 99%, or whatever. I don't know. You don't receive the things you don't ask for.
Yeah.
So I'm going to ask for everything, and we'll see what we get. And actually, so 99% of knee surgery is the medial. So the fact that it's over here is
Yeah.
actually really, they didn't tell you that, but that's fortunate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'd rather you tear this because kind of, if left alone, all the stress ends up here anyway. So if it was a medial one, I'd be more depressed.
Yeah,
So-
and that's what they said.
Is that they told you that?
Yeah,
Okay.
and my husband tore that
Medial one, that's
Yeah.
expensive, yeah. It's a more
and he had
expensive one.
surgery, which he regrets.
Correct. So lateral, whatever, okay, let's see if we can.
It like made it worse.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
man. Oh, man. All right. Yes, good. Good. Okay, I got you, bud. Okay. You okay?
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Wow, yeah, you really stand too much on that.
Yeah.
And that moved way easier.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Felt
his
that.
whole,
Wasn't even close.
his whole right side of his body is what he uses the most, and it has the most injuries.
Well, I was gonna say even like I push off.
Yeah,
All right. Yeah. A lot looser over here. Yeah. This is higher here. We use the word, chiropractors try to use the word subluxation. Sub meaning less than, luxation meaning dislocation. When I look at your back, this is more elevated than this. So the work is going to get thrown to your right lower. Left hip comes up. That explains that. And that's why your body's in avoidance of the right. But this is the first place you're going to wear out is that right lower back because your left middle, right here is the cause. Feel that? That knot there. It's going to feed it. There we go. Yeah, right there, bud. I know. Restriction,
Yeah.
protection.
Yep.
Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like it. I don't like it. And I got this lower thing here. Yeah, what is? Feel this guy?
Yep.
Like ribs, like these ribs got hit. It's lower on this side here. I got ripple. It's higher here, and then it crosses like. Okay. there.
Yep.
It's lower, about a couple inches lower here on the right. Okay. Yeah. Oh no, not underneath the scapula. Yeah, this is injured right there. Here we go. 1, 2. That's 6. I think it was about 6 to really show it. 6 passes with the vacuum cleaner, and you can start. That's what I was feeling. Now we can see what's
Yeah.
inside that's been trapped. It's lower. I'm going to predict it's going to be right there. On the other side. This doesn't feel too bad right there. But here, and then there. Hello. Am I bothering anybody?
It's even low right there, just.
No, he's right. Sorry, left upper, and it's definitely a right lower. Significant injury right here, but this is. I'm not saying it's perfect over here, but it's larger on the left.
Yeah.
What happened here? Ooh, right here, all these attachments here. Oh man. This is your throwing arm, right?
Yeah.
Let's see what's in his shoulder here.
Yeah.
Not in there. Anywhere but there.
That's where I felt like the most like
Uh-huh.
knots.
I know all the hiding spots.
Yep. Always digging in there.
Yep. Oh boy.
Yeah. Yep.
Is that the spot that you
That's
always?
what I always can feel. Yeah.
Infraspinatus, one of the rotator cuff muscles, it's never letting up. I got a complete lock here. Right there.
So is that,
It's just injury.
yeah,
The muscle is like an engine. The idle speed should be 600 RPMs. This is running at 4,000 RPM. It's never getting a break.
Jesus.
He's running it hot all the time. So your performance is going to be limited because you can't. This is no longer functional muscle. It's just staying in a spasm. A
Right.
spasm is not functioning muscle. It's just it no longer lengthens and shortens.
So then, I'm sure, are there certain stretches that,
Well, part of it is just cleaning it. The posture and then injuries. I mean,
yeah,
part of it is that when you're throwing, you're stressing the tissue.
yeah.
So it gets injured and then it heals in a ball. So I don't know if it's stretching it. See, you're not. If you try to stretch this, the part that's injured is not going to stretch. You're just going to tear
It just-
areas
Okay,
next
yeah.
to it.
Well, and when I do try, I
Doesn't
just
work.
get stuck at a
Yeah.
point.
It doesn't work because the knot's really tied up.
Yeah.
It needs direct care to unlock it. It just needs to be lubricated. It won't need, once you get this clean, he's not going to need that much care.
Oh, okay.
It's like, once we run, yes, if he's going to be an active football
Yeah.
player, he's going to need, you have a pit crew of people working on you once a week or something
Yeah.
like that. This is just regular maintenance that needs to be done. These are just like Tin Man from Wizard of Oz.
Do you know who that is?
I heard of him.
Yeah, I've heard of it. Okay, all right, fine. Like Dorothy. A little bit of oil here, just. Like, this is the age where it really shouldn't even need this.
Yeah.
It should be auto. After 26, now the self-cleaning machinery turns off. You should have rumba vacuums running. You shouldn't even need to have somebody manually.
Yeah.
The fact that there's any mark means that the rumbas are broken. The automatic cleaners aren't running, and now trash is building up.
Yeah, I mean,
I'm just happy, like, we went the chiropractor 2 years ago, it was
Yeah.
like, you walk in,
Just adjust
he just does it's the same stuff.
Sorry.
every time.
I know. The AC joint, how's this guy doing in here? This is what usually gets really
Yeah.
tormented.
He doesn't have to, you don't have as much pain in that area, do you?
It's tight, it's
Yeah.
Okay, good. These are the expensive areas.
Yes.
Keeping your acromioclavicular joint right. It's already came up real quick.
about to say it probably small.
You want to keep. Lactic acid is negatively charged. A common positively charged ion in your blood is calcium. And so opposites attract. How does bone spurs grow?
Oh,
Acidity attracts the calcium, right? So how do you stop arthritis? You get rid of the acidity. The acidity is what's magnetically drawing calcium out of the blood.
That's dark.
Yeah.
That's like really dark.
Injuries. All that should happen is a light redness, light pinkish. You said anytime you have a dark mark, that's
kind of like that.
right. It should just turn pink. Anything past pink is problems. Trash buildup. And then how quickly the mark comes up tells you how much is in there.
Yeah.
If I barely
Yeah.
touch it and it
Yeah,
comes
yeah.
up, it's like, geez,
Yeah.
how many layers are in here? Versus like I had to scrape a lot and I got a little bit.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
It means there's not as much in there. You're gonna breathe for me, bud. Good. All right, arms down. It is so tight. Wow. All right, I'm gonna do this, guys. Wow. One more. And this joint here did not like me earlier. Yeah, some crunchies all.
Holy. Oh my god, look at the right.
That's that left upper.
Yeah.
That's that right lower. I got two. Bullet went in that way and came out that
Yeah,
way.
holy.
We gotta get all that cleaned out. Okay, we'll get it, bud.
That's crazy.
On your head for me. Let's see how this shoulder feels. muscles here. Look up for me a little bit, sit up straight, there we go. And then press back with your elbow into my elbow, press back. There you go. Same thing, press back, press back. There you go, good, yeah. Tilt your head right for me a little bit, tilt right. And go ahead and tilt right for me. Okay, nothing. Okay, go ahead and tilt left. And go ahead and tilt left. Nothing on the top ones, okay. Go ahead and turn to your left. Yeah, wow.
Sway.
You can turn! Turn your right. Yeah.
Do you feel a difference, Steve?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's have you look up. Let's go easy.
Oh,
I mean,
that's so much better. Holy crap.
right, his poor neck wasn't bending.
Yeah.
Now maintaining that mobility.
Yes, and see, that's what I'm worried about.
Gotcha. See here. Feels good, everybody feels good. Okay, how's this wrist doing? Lean back a little bit. Okay.
Yeah, I felt that too. Yeah.
Like it.
Old man body.
It's all crunchy.
I felt the exact same
Put all
thing.
that crunchy in here. All right, well, traction. You just take your wrist starts bothering you, just kind of grab it and traction it.
Okay, yeah.
And then otherwise you got to go in here and find where there's something stuck in there. You'll find usually right in here. Right in there is usually where I find all the grindy build up. Checking the hands and wrist. Good. 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 You've broken this guy. What'd you do to this?
Yeah, I actually have,
broke
yeah.
it.
It's like still
Oh, we
messed up,
forgot
yeah.
about all
He
that.
won't find it.
Yeah.
What'd you do to that?
That was, yeah.
So junior year.
What'd you do to that?
I just hit it on a helmet or something.
my God.
Yeah.
Junior year, he broke it.
Never been able to. You have something here on this end guy there, but
Yeah.
this guy here, I don't like it.
It hasn't been able to stretch. I haven't. It's
Look at the difference.
Yeah.
You just-
It's not even
Yeah,
close.
normal.
Yeah.
Well, he also played the whole season with the broken finger.
I thought Ed wouldn't find it. I thought Ed
But
would.
all the injuries.
We
all
forgot,
Of a
like, I'm
sudden,
like,
yeah,
I
all
totally
of a sudden
forgot.
we're like, wait.
What'd you do to that?
Yeah.
Nothing. Well, it does not bend
You know,
anymore.
everybody forgets about the
Lean
pinky. Who cares about the pinky?
Yeah, more normal.
Yeah.
Yeah, that right wrist, bud. Yeah. Yeah. All right, let me see here. Come on. Good.
Oof.
I got you, bud. I got you.
Lots of use.
Okay, good. Your head's almost on the ground. You should be on this guy. You're gonna have to just grow into it. Yeah. Yeah, you're large. See, the problem is this guy's head, your range of motion is improving. My point is that eventually you'd outgrow because your head would touch the ground because his neck would actually fully bend,
Right.
especially 19 years old. So
Yeah.
this is that's perfect, just like that. This is an emulation of my thumb, right?
Yeah.
Because they just take
Yeah.
the mold and it
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
holds
yeah.
your neck when I was holding your
Yes.
neck on.
Yeah.
And restoring your cervical curve is about how we're going to take the stress off your lower neck and ensure your lower neck lasts as long as possible. Again, our world waits till the engine blows up before we check the oil.
Right.
This is an oil change. This is a lubrication of things and wait instead of just letting everything dry out and then explode and then operate. It's how do we ensure the lower neck doesn't get overstressed? We keep the upper neck working. We put the neck back in its curved position. And how do we do that? Well, we can't do it. I wish I could say I could adjust the curve in your neck. The curve can only be stretched back in. To do the stretching, we need to make sure the spine is limber
That
and
makes
loosened
sense.
up. Oh, come on, bud. Yes, stretch. It's okay. You're not gonna hurt yourself, I promise. There you go. Good. Knees back up. Move your feet slowly left. Move your feet to the left. And now rotate your knees to the right. Come on, exhale, stretch. It's okay. You're not gonna hurt it, I promise. You won't hurt yourself, but you have to let that stretch out a little bit. Good, beautiful. Good, excellent.
Oof.
Knees back up, and then you bring your feet back in the middle, and then just stay in the middle for a minute. Stay in the middle for a minute, take a break. Get the idea? Right? Let's try to bring the arms up, come on. Get the idea? Right?
Oh.
I know. Now, if your hands go numb or tingly, you put the arms to the side. You're saying you have all these different angles to work. You understand?
Yeah.
If this is too painful, we got to put more blocks behind your head. Mastery of this device is what's going to save your lower back and ultimately your knee, is restoring your neck, your lumbar lordosis. Then when you're just chilling out at home and you're on your phone, you, I don't know, start spending some time on your phone like this, right? So when you're at home working, college or whatever, put your, when you can, not all the time, but when you're reading something, don't always read
Yeah.
like this. You got to start fasting from the forward rotation. When you have the choice, don't always be forwardly rotating.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Right? When you have the ability at home or playing video games or whatever, interweave in your life. You want the weight on your chest. If you put the weight all on your shoulders will hurt.
Well, that's yeah, exactly.
I understand.
Yeah.
My shoulders will hurt. It's nothing
Yeah,
wrong with
yeah,
your shoulders.
yeah.
Just you're jamming your shoulders like this.
Yep.
So you got to get the weight
Perfect. Yeah.
on your chest, so the weight's not on my glenohumeral joint, it's on my chest. And your neck's got to get used to this. Your neck, if your neck hurts, get in here and I got to fix your neck, because this
Yeah.
should not hurt your neck.
Yeah.
But it does hurt necks that are unhealthy.
Yep.
So this needs to be a comfortable position that your body gets used to. And if you're in this position for a while and I can't get up, lay on your back. Let it all open up.
Yep.
And then you'll be able to get up. Don't be disheartened if you're arching up and it's like, I'm stuck. Let it open up a little bit. Okay?
All right.
You did great, man.
I really appreciate it.
Awesome.
It
You
was
did really well.
amazing. Yeah.
Glad you're here, man.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So